Don't fall off. Onyx. Oh, my cat loves massages. Come on, kitty. Can I stop now? Can I take a break? I've been massaging you for 20 minutes now. Oh, you're so cute. I love you. He's chipped. He has all his shots. He's gone through one surgery. Bladder issue, but he's all better, and that was a really, really, really long time ago. So that was our only scare with him. Onyx. Oh, Onyx. Onyx. I don't have him every day, so he gets spoiled by Mommy. My ex and I had him, well, we're going on 12 years. I love him so much. Okay, time's up, buddy.